Sir, any reaction sa pag-ano ni Dinyo pag withdraw sa yang COC and Mayor Duterte ang gi-replace with ko?
No, the withdrawal of Dino is only the first step. There is a second step, of course, if the mayor decides to run for president. He is going to be the substitute, but everything will depend upon the mayor. But the ground is laid already for him to make his decision.
Okay. The mayor is the candidate of the local party Hugpong.
PDP Laban.
Yes,
PDP Laban.
dito sa Davao, sir. In replacement sa iya, sir, kinsa ang iyang ito discuss, sir?
Wala akong makahibalok hindi siya ikwan. I-replace sa iya.
Wala niya sa party sa
Wala pa.
Attorney,
Again,
balik
happy
na mo narate niya nabay plano si Mayor to substitute dun sa PDP na presidential.
Mauna ang plano. Kasi di naman now, Dino will be withdrawing, that is what we heard. And that will pave the way for the mayor to be the substitute if he finally decides to run.
Kagisa na ang plano, sir, na mag-substitute siya?
That's the program, that's the plan of the PDP Laban.
So, labas si Mayor sa plano na yan po na his decision is still hanging.
Yes, he still has to make his decision. But at least everything, the groundwork has been laid.
Pero kanang sa kwan, sir, na pagpulin niya, sir, legal na siya, muna siya, provided for na siya sa committee.
Yeah, that's provided for in the rules.
Pero wala pang sinabi talaga sa inyo si Mayor.
Wala pa. Ang sabi niya sa amin is just wait and see. We'll just wait and see.
Pero sir, na yung gunugun, sir, na might probably nga ma-disqualify daw si Dinyo. They will declare Dinyo as a nuisance candidate.
I do not know if that is feasible because he is a member of the PDP Laban and the PDP Laban is an accredited national political party. And in the past elections, the PDP Laban has always participated as a party.
So wala kayo nakita niya mga pictures?
Wala akong nakita eh. All I know is that he was declared first the candidate of the PDP Laban. Declare na siya. And the PDP Laban is willing to support Dino all the way. But because of his planned withdrawal, the substitute, of course, will be supported also by the PDP Laban.
So, sir, tingin mo, sir, magkakait ng trouble if i-declare si Dinyo na isang nuisance candidate?
What kind of trouble?
Um,
Trouble in the party or trouble in
trouble
the
in
country?
Yes, in the
government?
country itself.
I do not know because I think you know that everybody is wishing that Mayor Duterte would run for president. I have been to Pampanga and I have been to Manila and the rank and file, the laboring class, the masses want him to run for president.
Sir, sabi mo, sir, napuntahan mo na yung mga lugar na yun. If i-declare na nuisance yung PDP Laban, sir, ibig sabihin na possible na magkaroon ng people's power?
I do not know. That is a far-fetched idea. Far-fetched ba yan?
So possibilities talaga, sir, na si Mayor yung tatakbo for PDP.
Ano?
Possibilities po talaga na could we rate it
To be...
sa possibility na siya yung sa substitute for president ng PDP?
Well, I'm confident that he is the one who will be selected to be the substitute for Dino if Dino withdraws. But as to whether the Mayor Duterte will finally decide to run, well, that is the question that will be left hanging until Mayor Duterte says he will run.
Sir, last conversation with Mayor, wala pa talaga.
Wala pa.
Ano nang sabi sir?
Just wait and see.
Sir, what will happen to the PDP Laban if Mayor Duterte will not accept this candidacy?
Who will they fill in, sir?
I cannot speak for the PDP Laban because I'm not a member of that political party.
Thank you, sir.
So yun yan, nothing has changed pa rin.
Pwede rin siya madagan?
Wala.
So
Nothing has
sir,
changed. Same stance.
ano yung lumabas na commercial niya
commercial?
with Senator Peter Allen?
Ilaha man to. Kay Senator Cayetano tong commercial.
But that doesn't conclude anything.
Wala. Basta ingon ni Mayor, nothing has changed. Tapos, magpadayon daw siya sa iyahang soul searching. Karong All Souls Day.
Pero sir, hindi na siya nga mag-submit lang siya sa sarili sa decision sa party. Now that the party have decided.
Si Mayor na ang makatubag ana. Basta mo lang to ingon niya kanina, nothing has changed. Kanang decision sa PDP man ang decision na ng pag-withdraw ni Dinyo.
Sir, hanggang ganun sa siya
PDP National Council decision na pag-withdraw ni
So
Dinyo.
labas si Mayor dito sa decision ngayon na
Yes. Wala siya labot dito.
So pagka dungog niya na nag-withdraw si Binyo, kasi reaction niya.
Ingon niya, nothing has changed. Masking ang direction is padulong sa iyaha. Wala to niya. Same stand niya.
kung siya magaling isa
Siya may gibutang.
Decision na sa PDP leadership.
So wala gihapoy conclusion sir tang giingon niya nga mag-submit lang siya kung magpatuman lang siya kung sa decision sa party.
Wala. Basta ingon niya, padayon lang daw siya sa iyang soul searching. Karong All Souls Day.
Until All Souls Day lang.
Okay.